Hi guys. So I have been talking about doing a little Space Buns hair tutorial for a couple of weeks now, and I thought, why not just film it tonight? So if you're watching me for the first time, I'm Stacy Smart. I run a group and page called the Beauty Gang on Facebook, and I love all things hair, beauty, makeup. I'm actually a licensed cosmetologist, and this is a hairstyle that I did recently for an event that I thought would just be kind of fun. It's something I do on like day 3 hair. This is actually fresh hair today. I did some voluminous curls. This is the end of the day and they're still going like pretty strong. That's a separate video that I will upload to my channel. So I'll just kind of get started. So I've already parted my hair and I'm just gonna take a comb and finish parting it down the back and separate it into two. It's not, I can feel that it's not super straight, but I always check in another mirror to make sure that it's straight. And then just separate, so you'll separate your hair into two sections, kind of like two little pigtails. And I am just gonna start working with one section. So I have a fair amount of hair and I like to place my space buns like the top back corner of my head. So I'm just gonna pull this up and then I'm gonna grab a brush, kind of brush some of those pieces back. Okay, once it's in that back corner, I'm gonna grab my hair tie. And I'm gonna loop it once, twice, 3 times, and this third time I'm pulling it away from my face and I'm gonna just leave it like that. Okay, so I've got one. I'm gonna do the other. Start pulling it up. Brush through that hair. You'll want to have a couple of bobby pins on hand as well. Okay, once I've got it on that side, I'm gonna go through again, 1 loop, 2 loop, and then my 3rd loop, I'm pulling the hair away from my face to create these little, okay. So once I've got that, I take the extra hair and I just kind of spin it around. And then I'm going to tuck it in. So I'm gonna pull part of, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I'm gonna pull the elastic and tuck that hair right back in. And it's okay if it's messy. I don't ever worry about it being super clean. Okay, I'm gonna take that other and I'm gonna pull. And then I've got, see how I've got that elastic? I'm gonna tuck that in. Okay, so now, if you wanted to keep spinning it, you could. I am just going to go in and pin it a couple of times. I'm gonna tuck any loose hairs into the bobby pin. And what I like to do when I bobby pin stuff is I will open the bobby pin. I'll get some hair in it and then I close it. So see here, close it, slide it in. And then I don't like that hanging, so open it. I haven't pushed it in yet, but now I've closed it. And I'm just gonna slide it in. That's gonna give your hair a lot of grip. You can feel when a bobby pin is well placed in there. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Get these little stray hairs open, place it in, do anything else that you want, finish with some hairspray. If you don't like it being super tight, you could totally loosen the hair just a little bit. Just make sure your hair ties are covered. I think I want to tuck this one in just a little more. And then if you have any flyaways in the back, like along your nape, I recommend spraying hairspray on your hand and then just going over that hair. And you can easily put a bobby pin in vertically, grab some hair, put it in, and then just slide it up. Super easy, it only takes about 5 minutes. If you have any questions, let me know. If this was helpful for you, let me know. I hope to maybe do a couple more videos like this of just kind of fun hairstyles. Anyways, you can follow me on Instagram. I am over there at Stacy Smart, STAYCSMART, and I'll see you guys next time.